Hello everyone, Selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat malam. Today I will introduce the table of content Intermediate 1. Before we start, be sure you have watched the previous video, Automatic Table of Content. If you don't, please click the YouTube card on the upper right corner. In addition, don't forget to download the document and the information color first. And when you open the document, please click Enable Editing to start edit. Okay, let's start today's lesson. Because this is the intermediate table of content, in order to make the video clear, I separate the video into Intermediate 1 and Intermediate 2. In Intermediate 1, I will teach the setting of heading and how to use multi-level list. And in Intermediate 2, I will teach the design of table of content. Okay, I know you might want to close the video now because there are so many words you don't understand, but don't worry, later I will explain all of the problems you have now. Trust me. So, let's get started. First, look at this article. We can see there's two kinds of titles. One is in the red frame and the other is in the yellow frame. Red one is called chapter or main title, and yellow one is called section or subtitle. Their relationship is just like father and son. Main title is father and subtitle is his son. Father can have many sons, but each son just have one father. For example, the father named Medical Responses have two sons. Their names are Attempts to Assist China and Testing. And today we will let all of them have their number and use their relationship to make the table of content. For example, there are three fathers. Timeline preparations made after previous outbreaks and medical responses. Their numbers are 1, 2, 3, and their sons are 2.1, 2.2, 3.1, 3.2. And this is called multi-level list table of content. So now you know what's multi-level list, and we can work on it together. First, we need to set the father into heading 1. You need to highlight all of the chapters. Click the mouse and drag to highlight chapters and press Ctrl to highlight all of them. And step 2, click heading 1. And you will get this. And let's check out the video to see how it works. You drag the mouse and press Ctrl and repeat this action to highlight all of the chapters. And then click heading 1. But now you can see that the size of this chapter are too big, so we need to change it into a smaller size. To change it into a smaller size, you need to first right-click heading 1 and left-click modify. And you will get this window. And let's check out the video to see how it works. You need to first right-click heading 1 and then you left-click modify. And through this window, we can change the size and let the words align to left. And let's see how it works. I click here to change the size into 14. And then click here to let the word align to left. So I click OK to finish. After we set the chapter into heading 1, we can set the section into heading 2. Same as before, we highlight all the sections. After we set the chapter into heading 1, we can set the section into heading 2. Same as before, we highlight all the sections and then click heading 2. Let's watch video to see how it works. I highlight the section and press Ctrl and repeat this action to highlight all of the sections. And then I click heading 2. As the same, we need to change the size and fonts. So we right click the heading 2 and left click modify. And you get this window again. Let's watch video to see how it works. I right click heading 2 and left click modify and change the size into 14 and align to left and press OK. After setting all of the headings, we can start to give each of them a number. Highlight all headings. Let's watch the video to see how it works. I highlight a heading and press Ctrl and repeat this action until I have highlighted all of the headings. And then in step 7, I click multi-level list and choose a type. And all of chapter and section now have their numbers. And let's check out the video to see how it works. I click multi-level list and then choose this icon. And now all of them have their numbers. Now each heading get their number, but remember, we said that father should be the main title and son should be the subtitle, like 2.1, 2.2. So we need to change son's number. We use tab on keyboard. It's on the left side of keyboard and next to the alphabet Q. We just simply click between the numbers and the words and then press tab. Let's watch video to see how it works. Put your cursors between number and words and press tab. Okay, now you have learned how to set a multi-level list. In next video, we will start to insert a custom table of content. If you have any problem, please comment below. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe Paths by Value NCKU. See you next time. Bye bye!